How to get AT&T wireless free trial. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe, try, or get the free wireless AT&T trial. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is to make sure that your mobile device or any Android phone you're using is going to be compatible using this kind of feature. Open up your preferred web browser and type in ATT free trial, and it should be on the very first result. Click that. Now this is going to be the AT&T wireless free for 30 days. If you scroll down here, you should be able to see these inclusions or perks that you will get out of the 30-day trial inclusions. For you to be able to get this, all you have to do is to download my ATT application or scan the QR code on this page and then sign up for an account if your mobile device is eligible for this feature. Now activate your new eSIM, get your trial phone number and start texting, calling, and browsing, and then enjoy your risk-free trial for 30 days. And that is how you get AT&T wireless free trial.